Lesson 13.6, developing a volume formula. So we're actually going to flip over to the second page to start off with, and I do want to start off with the star chart as well. So when we're looking at our star chart, you see you have length times width times height, and then you also have base times height. So I want to talk more about this base times height today. So base is the base area, and you can find the base area of the rectangular prism by using area equals length times width. So really all you're doing is you're finding the area and then you're multiplying it by the height, because the height is the number of layers. So anytime you hear height, I want you to think layers. So if we have this box here and it says the volume of the rectangular prism with a base area of 56, so it already tells us the area of this bottom piece, and it has a height of 6 centimeters, how do you solve it? So you have B times H, which is 56 times 6. And then when you multiply that together, you get 336. It's still that same cubic because we're working in cubes this time. Okay, so let's try some examples. So for number 1, we have an area of the base is 18 and we have a height of 7. So if we know, I'm going to write it up here at the top to remind us, that volume equals base times height, then I know I can do 18 times 7. So I would do 8 times 7, which is 56. We bring our 6 down, our 5 up. 7 times 1 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So my answer is 126 cubic, and then I have my unit, feet. Okay, let's do another one. Again, I have volume equals base times height. I have my base as 24 and my height as 9. So 4 times 9 is 36. 18 is 9 times 2, 18, 19, 20, 21. And then again, it's cubic, and then our yards. Okay. I do want to talk about one more. Let's flip to the back here. So we have which expression can be used to find the volume of the carton. So of course we know if we have volume, you have two options. You have volume equals base times height, and you also have volume equals length times width times height. So we have the area of the base is 308 and we have the height of 12. So therefore we only have 2 units, so we're not going to use that one. So we want base times height. So that's going to be D. So just be aware we're not adding, and you wouldn't multiply 2 heights because it's not double it. It's just the one box.